The Rimac Nevera R is an electric hypercar refining speed and engineering. With over 2,000 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 1.74 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. Its top speed of 256 miles per hour is paired with advanced aerodynamics, including a fixed rear wing that boosts downforce by 15%. The Nevera R isn't just fast, it's exclusive, only 40 units being produced. The price of the 2025 Rimac Nevera R starts from $2.2 million to $2.5 million, depending on the trim and option level. It's for the collectors and enthusiasts seeking peak EV performance and luxury. The Rimac Nevera R is a technological masterpiece that sets new boundaries in hypercar world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.